Hey sir, this is my video report for the electrical transformer. So electrical transformer, ini transformer. A transformer is an electrical device that transfer elec- electricity energy between two or more circuits through electromagnetic induction. It is used to increase step up or decrease step down voltage levels in power system, enabling efficient transmission and distribution of electrical power. So as you can see the picture, this is the electrical transformer. This is high voltage, no, sa building, pwede pang building. And so the transformer operates on the principle of Faraday's law of electromagnetic induction, which states that a change in the magnetic flux through a circuit induce an electromotive force, or also known as EMF, in the circuit. So there are the key components. No, there's a primary winding, secondary winding, and a core. So as you can see the picture, no, there's a transformer core and so on, and there are the secondary load and the primary supply. So there are the key principles, or the basic principles, no, as you can see. Hindi ko ma-discuss kasi wala, online to eh. And let's go on to the types of transformer. So there are 6 types of transformer. And number 1, step up transformer. And number 2, step down. Number 3, isolation. And number 4, auto transformer. And number 5, 3-phase transformer. And the last one, number 6, is instrument transformer. So let's go on to the step up transformer. So there are the function. So increases the voltage. No, what is the function of step up is increases the voltage from the primary winding to secondary winding. And there are the application used in power generation plants to increase the voltage. And there are the advanced reduce transmission losses by increasing voltage. And there are the disadvantage. No, requires high insulations and safety measures due to the high operation voltage. And let's go on to the step down transformer. So the function of step down is decreases the voltage from the primary windings to the secondary windings. And the application is used to distribution network to lower the voltage for safe use in home or the business. And that being advantage, it provides safe and usable voltage, no, pwede sa household, sa mga bahay. And there are disadvantage is lower efficiency at very low load conditions. So as you can see, there's a picture sa step down. And let's go on to the number 3, isolation transformer. So the function of isolation transformer is provides electrical isolations between the primary and secondary windings without changing the voltage level significantly. And there are the application used for safety in sensitive equipment and to isolate different section of the power system. And there are the disadvantages. Enhance safety by isolating equipment from high voltage spike and grounding issues. So as you can see the picture now, ito po yung isolation transformer. So let's go on to the number 4, auto transformer. So the function of auto transformer is shares common windings between the primary secondary sides, offering valuable voltage output. And the application is used for voltage regulation and to provide small voltage changes in the power system. And the advantage is more compact, efficient, and cost-effective compared to the standard transformer for the same power rating. And there are the disadvantage is does not provide electrical isolation and between primary and secondary circuits now. So as you can see the picture of auto transformer now. So ang auto transformer is types of starting efficiency application. And let's go on to the number 5, three-phase transformer. So the function of three-phase transformer is designed to handle three-phase power either by combining three single-phase transformer or using a single three-phase unit. And there are the application used in power generation, transmission, and distribution system to handle three-phase power. So as you can see now, picture of three-phase power. Muna siya sa planta. And lastly, the instrument transformer. So the function of instrument transformer is used for measuring voltage and current in high voltage systems, including current transformer, or also known as CTS, and potential or voltage transformers, PTS. So there are applications used in metering and protection system in power network. And the advantage of instrument transformer is provides safe and accurate measurement. Now this is the same for number 1. No. So the disadvantage of instrument transformer is limited power. Mari sa tanan mo supplyan limited ra. Limiting power handling capacity. So as you can see the picture now, there's the supply and the load. So there is it is the instrument transformer. And this is the end of my video report of electrical transformer. And thank you.